A very blessed good day, ladies and gentlemen. Maayong adlaw, maupay nga aga. Diyos marhay na aga, maaya aabak, masantos akagsawan na imbag nga aldaw in the entire Philippines and the rest of the world. And of course, a safe, meaningful, and joyful Kadayawan celebration to all the Baweños today, August 14, Friday, celebrating the rich culture, traditions, unity, and vibrant spirit of Davao City. So we welcome you all to Life Max Global Incorporated, featuring our world-class, game-changing product, Life Protect, powered by its hero ingredients, sea buckthorn, and 27 other bioactive ingredients. So to God be the glory. And now for our leaders and first-time guests, we will give you a very inspiring and empowering presentation today, featuring, of course, our two world-class speakers. And without much further ado, for our first power speaker is actually our special guest today. So he's a doctor from the Ocampo Memorial College in Manila. He is the Vice President of Dental Clinicians Club. Moreover, he acquired his Masters of Divinity and Doctor of Philosophy, his PhD in Biblical Counseling. So praise God. In his very early career, he started in the pharmaceutical industry, specializing in cardiology, gastroenterology, and neuroscience, then followed by specializing in neuroscience and psychiatry for 2 decades already. Neuroscience, by the way, is the study of the nervous system, like a detective trying to crack down the code of our brain and the wiring of our body, while psychiatry is the medical specialty focused on diagnosing, treating, and preventing mental disorders. And then he occupied a position as a senior product and chief marketing executive manager at Kusum Healthcare Propriety Limited, specializing in neuroscience and psychiatry. And currently, he is the Assistant General Manager for Commercial at Grandis Pharmaceutical Incorporated. So, ladies and gentlemen, brace yourself to share to us his decades of expertise, professional insights, and product knowledge, and to help us understand more why Life Protect is truly unique and game-changing product. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's give our God bless you welcome to our very own Dr. Alexander Gerasmio.
Yes, thank you, Bernie. Am I audible? Loud and
Yes,
clear?
Doc. Yes, very loud and clear po.
All right. So happy to be again your how will I say it, speaker for tonight, and for all sa ating mga listeners or viewers or joining. Very pleasant good day, everyone. Tonight, pag-uusapan natin ang Life Protect active ingredients in a very simple and practical way. So, in my past presentations or talks with you, we spent time understanding better about the main ingredient of Life Protect, which is the Himalayan sea buckthorn. So, if you can still remember, well and good. But kung medyo nawawala na sa ating medyo na-forget na natin, walang problema. We can revise or refresh that information sa ating mga future activities. But for tonight, let's talk about naman the other ingredients which we can say I can say na equally important also sa kabuuan ng ating Life Protect product. So hindi tayo magiging very technical. Ang goal natin is maintindihan kung ano ang contribution ng 6 fruits active ingredient sa Life Protect sa ating everyday health and wellness. And ano talaga ang sinasabi ng clinical studies sa mga active ingredients na ito. And one important point, dahil this is a recorded Zoom meeting, we are talking about health support. Okay? Not disease treatment or cure. Now, para naman maging buhay at di kayo antukin sa ating Zoom presentation sa gabing ito, ninanais ko na magkaroon tayo ng engagement or interactive discussion by sharing your thoughts and answers sa ilang mga questions na gusto kong ibato sa inyo. Well, you can answer that verbally. Kung pwede buksan yung mic nyo, you can answer it or you can also chat it. Walang problema. It's up to you. But I want I prefer an engagement. Ibig sabihin, be involved in our discussion for tonight dahil through involvement, we learn better no, sa ating pong pinag-uusapang mga paksain. Kaya to start off sa ating pong presentation, let me start by a quick question. Okay? Quick question. And that question is, if you could choose, kung kayo po ay pamimiliin ng isang area to support every day, be it brain, what would it be? Brain, heart, eyes, or general wellness? Which one would you choose? Ulitin ko. Kung kayo po ay papipiliin, alin ba dito na ninanais yun ay dapat laging nasusuportahan araw-araw? Ito ba yung brain? Pipiliin nyo ba yung heart? Pipiliin nyo ba yung eyes? Or general wellness? Alin sa mga apat na ito ang inyong pipiliin? Any answers na gusto mag-share? Walang gusto mag-share na sagot? Ha? O nahiya kayo mag-share na sagot? Hindi ko lang alam kung nakikita ko yung sagot, no? May mga sagot ba? Okay, kasi alright, okay, so sorry hindi ko kasi nakikita. So, let me just open the other screen. Okay, sorry, para makita ko yung answer doon. Sorry. Yun, okay, alright, thank you, no? So, yun pala, nakikita ko pala. Sorry, my bad. So, may yon general wellness. Okay. Thank you. No? Thank you sa inyong participation. Sundan ko rin ng tanong. Why? Why general wellness? Sige nga, kahit one word lang. Anyone? Why general wellness ang pinili ninyo? Any answers I would like to learn from you? Okay, may nagsabi to. Health is wealth. Okay, that good answer. Si Roldan, holistic. Okay. Meron pa ba na gusto mag-share ng kailang sagot? Bakit general wellness ang pinili? Okay, so wala na, no? So silang dalawa lang muna ang okay, because health is wealth, hindi sabi ni Teddy. All right, so interesting answers. Well, sabihin ko sa inyo na tama ang sagot nyo na kung meron tayong survey says true na araw-araw, no? Kumbaga, ang ninanais natin na mabigyan ng suporta araw-araw, hindi lamang ang ating brain, hindi lamang ang ating heart or eyes, higit ang gusto natin yung kabuuan, no? Nakalagayan natin yung ating general wellness ang ninanais natin na laging nasusuportahan. At interesting ang answers ninyo, no? Because health is wealth, holistic for overall well-being. Very interesting ang answers niyo. Thank you very much. And actually, yan ang idea behind Life Protect, main active ingredients, and also mga active ingredients na nakikita nyo sa ating screen ngayon. Different ingredients, different strengths, but one overall wellness approach. So this will be our discussion for tonight. All right. So gusto ko ngayon ang tanong sa inyo as you see the slides, among sa 6 na prutas na ito, alin ang pinaka-familiar sa inyo? Sige nga. Let me see your answer. Among these 6 fruits, alin ang pinaka-familiar sa inyo? Okay. Hindi ko nakikita yung sagot. Wala? Walang familiar? May mga sumasagot ba? Okay, sige, di ako magpo-proceed pag di kayo sumasagot. para ano lang to, para tiyakin ko naman na may nakikinig. Okay? So, yun, may sumagot na si Roldan, blackberry. Thank you, Roldan. Si Zerloff, pink grapefruit. Wow. Si Dorothy, sea buckthorn. Well, thank you very much, Dorothy. Pero wala siya rito sa ating slide ngayon. Ang tanong ko ay, among the 6 fruits, alin ang pinaka-familiar sa inyo? So, sabi ni Larry, kami berry, si Jens, blueberry, si Nanette, blueberry, si Noel, blueberry. Okay. Now, sa slide na nakikita nyo, which one do you think has the highest vitamin C? Sige nga. Sa palagay nyo, alin sa 6 na fruits na ito na may taglay na pinaka mataas na taglay na vitamin C? Anyone? Sige, answer. Okay, may sumagot. Kamo, si Imelda, kamo, si Zerloff, kamo. Wow, kamo, si Jens. Then si Nanette, blueberry. Okay, no? So, mga initial answers, tama, no? Siguro, most probably, no? Bagamat nandito sa ating slide, ay iba sa inyo magsasabi nga, no? Well, unintentionally, walang problema doon. Maybe blueberry, maaring iba siguro blackberry, no? But tama yung mga sagot nila, mga nauna natin ng listeners, gaya ni Jens and Zerloff and the rest, no? Kamo, okay? Kamo is actually known for its exceptionally high vitamin C content. Kasi nandiyan na nga, kumbaga sa exam, given na yan, very high vitamin C. Okay? So kung kayo tumitingin sa slide, nandiyan yung sagot, no? And true na Kamo is actually known for its exceptionally high vitamin C content. Siguro ang magandang sunod na tanong ay, bakit nga ba itong 6 fruits? Bakit nga ba itong 6 fruits? Simple lang. Ang bawat prutas po, each fruit has something different to contribute. Si blueberry po, interesting siya for brain, memory, and blood vessel support. Si blackberry, rich in antioxidants and may contribute to heart and metabolic wellness. Si amla, very interesting siya because naturally rich siya in vitamin C at mayroong mga clinical evidences related to cholesterol and vascular wellness. Si Kamo kilala as a very rich source of vitamin C. Si blackberry or si bilberry, particularly interesting for visual function. And si pink grapefruit, nagbibigay ng nutrients and citrus compounds that can contribute to the overall wellness. So hindi natin sinasabi na isang fruit lang ang gagawa ng lahat. Parang team sila, different strengths, pero one wellness picture. Ngayon, ang tanong ko, kapag sinabi nating clinically studied, ano ang ibig sabihin nun? Pwede ba ako maka-request ng mga 2-3 sagot? Kapag sinabi natin clinically studied or merong clinical evidence, ano ang ibig sabihin ng salitang iyon? Anyone? Okay, sabi ni Noel, tested. Meron pa bang nasusunod kay Noel? Si Noel lang ba ang may idea? Proven and tested, sabi ni Josie. Isa lang, kahit 3 lang. At tested din, yun, sabi ni Nanette. Okay. This is how we're going to answer the question. Kapag sinabi natin clinically studied or clinical evidence, meron siyang clinical evidence, it means that yung ingredients, okay, yung 6 active fruit ingredients na na-mention natin earlier, ay napag-aralan sa katauhan or has been studied in people, not just in laboratory, not just in animals. Okay, that's the first definition, no? Or first understanding. Kaya pag sinabi natin ang Life Protect ingredients, ang mga ingredients nito ay clinically studied. Kapag minention yung salitang clinically studied, ang sinasabi nyo na pag-aralan to sa mga tao, hindi lamang sa laboratorio o sa mga hayop. So, ang sunod na tanong ang gusto kong sagutin ninyo sa ating discussion, does clinically studied automatically mean proven to cure a disease? Ulitin ko kapag sinabi ba natin clinically studied ang mga active ingredients o ang mga ingredients, automatic ba na ibig sabihin nito ay proven to cure a disease? Yes or no? Sige, sagot lang tayo. Learning session natin to. There's no let's learn. Kumbaga, you will not be criticized kung sakaling mali man sagot nyo. This is a learning session so that we will be equipped with the right information and we can offer the right response sa mga inquiries sa ating mga prospects. Okay, so sabi ni Noel, yes. Sabi ni Nanet, yes. Sabi ni Roldan, yes. Okay, so let's understand this. Okay? Kapag sinabi natin clinically studied, mga partners, no, it doesn't automatically mean proven to cure a disease. Okay? No, the answer is no. Because what we would like to say na clinical studied, the language kasi is very important, no? Yung studied. Pag studied, pag sinabi natin yung word na these ingredients are clinically studied, ang ibig sabihin niyan, these ingredients may support, may help, okay? Rather than it cures or prevents. Kasi we have to be very careful also with our language. Baka tayo po ay makot, no, ng mga nakikinig sa atin. Kaya before we talk about benefits, importante muna na malinaw sa atin kung ano ang ibig sabihin ng clinical evidence. Kasi kapag sinabi nating clinical study or may clinical evidence, ibig sabihin sinubukan at pinag-aralan sa human beings, hindi lang sa laboratory or animals. Kapag strong ang evidence, kapag randomized, mas strong ang evidence ng clinical study kapag ito ay randomized controlled trials or kapag maraming studies ang pinagsama sa isang review. Pero may importanteng distinction to, mga partners. For example, kung ang study ay tungkol sa blueberry, we can say blueberry has been clinically studied. Hindi natin automatic na sasabihin na ang buong Life Protect formula has exactly the same proven effect. We go by the ingredients. Kaya mamaya sa ating flow, masasabi natin na ang blueberry, meron siyang study patungkol dito. Ang bilberry, meron siyang study patungkol doon. Ang kamo-kamo ay meron siyang study patungkol dito. So ganoon, no? So ganoon ang ating magiging takbo ng usapan mamaya ngayon para sa ganoon ay maging malinaw, no, sa mga ating mga prospect ano yung pakinabang ng bawat prutas o active ingredients na nakapaloob sa Life Protect as a product. Alright? So I hope nakukuha niyo yung my point. Kung medyo may confusion, just let me know, no? So walang problema. I'm open for clarification. All right. So the simple science behind the formula. So when you hear, kapag inyong narinig ang salitang antioxidants, ano ang naiisip ninyo? Okay? Sige nga. When you hear the word antioxidants, ano ang naiisip ninyo? I want to see some answers. Baka meron tayo dyan mga gusto mag-share ng kanilang thoughts or responses. Anyone? Okay, sabi ni Winston, fights oxidation. Sabi ni Nanette, detoxifies our bodies. Okay, thank you for that responses. So, when we hear the word antioxidant, ano ba ang naiisip natin? In simple terms, antioxidants helps the body deal with oxidative stress. Okay? Limutin ko ha. Antioxidants help the body deals with oxidative stress. Right? Oxidative stress. Ngayon, so ang tanong ngayon ay, are antioxidants medicine? Ang antioxidant ba ay medicine? Anyone who can share her thought? Okay, sabi ni Sir Love, no. Si Melanie, no. Si Winston, no. Administrator, no. And you are correct. Tama kayo. Okay, your response are correct. No, antioxidants, they are not medicine. Antioxidants, they are nutrients or compounds that can support the normal body functions. Kaya let's make the science very simple, no? Marami sa fruits ay na ito ay naturally rich. Okay? Naturally rich in tinatawag nilang polyphenols, anthocyanins, and vitamin C. Kaya ang tanong natin siguro maganda ay, ano ba ang antioxidants? So sabi ko kanina, in simple terms, they help the body deal with oxidative stress. Yung anthocyanins na nakikita natin dito, ito yung mga natural pigments na nagbibigay ng blue, purple, and red colors sa maraming prutas. And these compounds are being studied. Pinag-aralan sila at pinag-aaralan pa for possible benefits sa brain and blood vessel health. So come to think of it, napag-aralan at pinag-aaralan hanggang ngayon for brain and blood vessel health. Ang vitamin C naman, we all know, is an essential nutrient. Kaya ang simple explanation ay these fruits, itong mga prutas na ito, na siya nakapaloob sa Life Protect, provides naturally occurring nutrients and plant compounds that may help the body manage everyday stress. Okay, ulitin ko, yung mga fruits na siyang nakapaloob sa Life Protect product, they are natural occurring nutrients and plant compounds that may help the body manage everyday stress. Kaya malaki ang naitutulong ng mga prutas na ito na nasa Life Protect. Now, ang gusto kong mapag-usapan natin, why do you think blueberry is interesting when we talk about brains? Kasi nga, nakita natin, ang blueberry, napag-aralan siya, na meron siyang brain and blood vessel support. It may help brain health and blood, and it may support blood vessels or vascular systems. Kaya ang tanong natin ngayon ay, bakit kaya ang blueberry is very interesting when we talk about the brain? Okay. Is anyone would like to explore the answer? Anyone who wishes to guess bakit ang blueberry is interesting because of when we talk about the brain? All right, so maybe let me answer that question, Because ang blueberries, sabi nga, are rich in anthocyanins. Anthocyanins. And human studies, have looked at memory, attention, and cognitive function. So ibig sabihin, nung pinag-aralan ang blueberries, dahil sa taglay niyang napakayaman niya sa anthocyanins, na-discover o napag-alaman na malaki pala na itutulong ng blueberry sa usapin ng memories, attention, and cognitive function, yung how our brain works, to put it simply. Kaya nga siguro ito magandang fun siguro masabi kong parang sabihin natin fun follow-up question. So, masasabi ba natin na ang blueberry prevents dementia? Knowing na ang blueberry pala ay napagkitaan sa mga pag-aaral na meron pala itong naitutulong sa memory and cognitive functions. So safe bang sabihin na ang blueberry ay maaring makapagpigil ng dementia? Kumbaga sa ganung language, can blueberry prevents dementia? Yes or no? Okay, may mga nagsabing yes, no? Tagang very strong. Yes. Well, with all due respect, guys, we cannot make that claim directly, no? No, we cannot say na blueberry directly, no. Okay? Yes, no. But the answer to that question is that we cannot categorically say yes. But what we can say na ang blueberry can support, no? Can support, okay, dementia issues, but not treat. Okay? It won't treat directly, no? But it may support in terms of the prevention of dementia. Kaya nga dito makita natin, no, na kung pag-aaralan natin mabuti, no, let's start with blueberry. So alam naman natin na na healthy fruit ang blueberry. But what makes it interesting scientifically is yung high content niya ng anthocyanins. So many human studies looking at memory, attention, and other aspects of thinking. Some reviews showed encouraging results, no? Showed encouraging results, particularly sa memory and executive function, especially among older adults. So paano natin siya ngayon sasabihin in simple terms? We will not categorically make a statement na outright sabihin natin ang Life Protect will prevent dementia. Wag ganun ka-strong, very strong yung statement na yon, mga partners. Ang sasabihin natin, the blueberry ingredient na makikita sa Life Protect may help support memory. The blueberry ingredient in Life Protect may help support mental performance. The blueberry ingredient in Life Protect may help healthy blood vessel functions. So, pero very important, no? Hindi natin sasabihin na outright at in very strong language na ang blueberry prevents dementia. Support lang, not treatment. So, kung wala naman dementia, mas malaking, you don't have to wait for a person na magkaroon ng dementia bago mo offeran ng Life Protect. Dahil kahit wala naman tayong dementia, meron tayong mga memory gaps no? Mga memory gaps, mga age-related memory losses, no? Kahit sa ating pag-aaral, no? Sa mga pag-aaral ng mga kids, hindi mga kids, kahit adults, no? Sa ating mga day-to-day activities that will require executive mental functioning. So dito natin makikita na by taking Life Protect, because of its active ingredient, fruit ingredient na blueberry, it will support our mental performance. So yan po ang benefit sa pag-inom po ng Life Protect through its active ingredients. Now, tapos tayo. Now, next fruit naman tayo. The blueberry. Dahil una is, continue pa tayo, no? So, what might blueberry be doing? Okay? What might blueberry be doing? Okay, 3 simple ideas lang po ito. 3 simple ideas. Number 1, protect. Okay? Yung polyphenols na siyang nutrition or na makikita sa blueberry helps the body manage oxidative stress. Number 2, it will support blood flow. Yung anthocyanins are being studied for their effects on the blood vessel function. And number 3, it supports the brain. Yung anthocyanins yung better, it supports the brain, meaning to say better vascular function dahil ang brain natin, no, niyayakap yan ng maraming mga blood vessels, okay? So better vascular protection, function, At yung polyphenol activity, it may also contribute to the cognitive benefits. Kaya nga, dito makikita natin ang kagandahan ng ingredient na ito na meron sa Life Protect. Kaya nga, kung tayo po ay pamimiliin ng tatlong salita na siyang magko-connect with blueberry, na siyang isa sa mga active ingredient ng Life Protect, ito yung protect, support blood flow, and support the brain or brain. So protect, blood flow, and brain. So very simple story, no? In terms of the oxidative stress support, blood vessel function, and possible cognitive support. Now, so the second fruit tayo, the blackberry. Okay, blackberry naman tayo. Siguro, yung mga dark colored fruits, no? Blueberries, blackberries, no? Usually, they contain an interesting plant compounds. Ang sagot dyan, at yung interesting plant compounds na yon ay itong anthocyanins and other polyphenols. Kaya nga, kung meron man tayo makikita, if we find a study on one type of berry, okay, can we automatically say na the same results applies to every berry? Ibig sabihin, kung merong isang study na nakita natin sa blueberry, ang ibig ba sabihin nun yung result na nakita sa blueberry ay applicable din ba sa blackberry? The answer is no. Okay? Hindi po dahil they belong to the same family of berries, hindi natin pwedeng sabihin na pare-pareho ang magiging yung resulta sa isang berry ay matatagpuan din to the other type of berries. Hindi po. Okay? Dahil iba-iba ang mga botanical source, no, ng bawat berries na ito. Kaya dito po sa blackberry, mapapansin natin yung dark color niya, no? Kaya nga blackberry dahil dark color niya, no? And that color comes partly from the natural plant compounds na tawag na natin ay anthocyanins and anthocyanins to be more specific. Ngayon, research suggests that these compounds may influence markers related to inflammation, cholesterol, and blood vessel health. But mayroon pong importanteng scientific caution dito. So hindi lahat ng blackberry studies po ay necessarily conducted using the same botanical source na ginagamit po sa ating pong product. For example po, may pag-aaral involving a type of blackberry, ang tawag ay Morus nigra or Persian mulberry. Ang Persian mulberry po ay different po from the common rubus blackberry. Kaya hindi natin dapat directly i-transfer ang result na yon sa product. So ang simple message po ay blackberry po contains or contributes antioxidants and cardiometabolic wellness potential, but the exact botanical source matters. Kaya dito po sa atin, no, ang exact botanical source natin ay ito pong rubus blackberry. Okay? At ang rubus blackberry na po, sabi sa pag-aral, ay nakakatulong siya pagdating sa cholesterol, blood vessel health, and even related to inflammation. Okay. Amla. Okay? Amla po is very popular po sa Indian wellness tradition. But the question is, do we have also human clinical research for this ingredient? Okay? The answer is yes. In one randomized study, amla was studied for 12 weeks in people with dyslipidemia. Sino sa inyo rito nakakaintindi ng salitang dyslipidemia? Meron ba? Baka meron tayo itong mga nasa medical field. Pag na-encounter nyo yung word na dyslipidemia, ano ang pumapasok sa isip nyo? Merong issues saan? Okay? Kung titignan nyo, 3 syllables yan or tama, syllables, no? Yan, tama. Lipids or sa Tagalog, taba, fats. Okay? So, this is been meron dysfunction. So, may problema doon sa taba na nakikita sa dugo. Kaya nga, dyslipidemia. So, sa ating layman's term, something to do with cholesterol. Mas alam nyo kasi yung word na cholesterol kaysa sa lipids, no? All right. So, dito makita natin, no? So, ano yung area what area ng mga researchers were particularly interested in? At dito sa pag-aaral na ito, they are very much interested yung mga researchers as far as AMLA or the Indian gooseberry is concerned as to how it will help when it comes to the lipid or cholesterol-related issues. Ngayon, hindi na ako magtatanong sa inyo or i-ask sa inyo, sino sa inyo rito mayroong cholesterol or lipid-related issues sa inyong health sa ngayon. So, keep to yourselves na lang, no? So, siguro by this time, alam niyo naman kung may mga ganyan kayong kinakarap na issues, okay? So, this is what makes AMLA particularly interesting in this formula because there is human clinical evidence around healthy cholesterol and vascular wellness. Now, let's talk further, no? So dahil ang AMLA is naturally rich in vitamin C and other plant compounds, at dahil meron nga siyang interesting human clinical studies, at nakita sa pag-aaral, mga partners, no? The study reported, inulat ng clinical study na meron nakikitang improvement in terms of the management of total cholesterol, triglycerides, LDL, and other lipid measures. Kaya the simple takeaway dito, yung AMLA has human clinical evidence supporting healthy cholesterol and vascular wellness. Kaya nga dito masasabi natin na it will not treat or cure dyslipidemia, but it may support, no? It may help, it will support lowering of bad cholesterol, increasing good cholesterol, lowering yung total cholesterol and triglycerides. It may support, okay? Dahil we don't want unintentionally magkaroon tayo ng mga parang unsolicited advice na maybe unintentionally masabi natin, ay tigilan mo na yung pag-inom mo ng statins. Mag-life protect ka na lang dahil merong clinical study na nagsasabi na nakakatulong to in terms of the reduction of your cholesterol or bad fats. Okay? Well, maybe out of your zealousness, no, nasasabi niyo yun. But syempre, as a wellness advocates, we need lang to confine our statements kung ano ang sinasabi ng mga clinical evidence. And let's not masyado tayo mag-overclaim. Kaya nga, again, no, hindi po ito replacement sa mga prescribed medicines. Okay? Hindi po ito replacement sa proper diet and exercise. Support po siya. Complement po siya. It will complement, it will supplement in terms of the management of any cholesterol or fat-related issues. Okay. Let's continue. Camu-camu. Okay? The vitamin C powerhouse. Small fruit lang po ito. But what is camu-camu famous for? Now, camu-camu is famous for because it has a very high vitamin C. Now, if a study is very small, okay? Bakit? 7 days, may pag-aaral, no? If a study is very small and only lasts 7 days, should we call this the evidence conclusive? Siyempre, the answer is no. We call it promising. Dahil, ibig sabihin promising, it would mean na it will need more research. But the thing is that meron na mga initial evidences that may show na ang camu-camu may help in terms of addressing oxidative stress. Okay? So, small fruits pero exceptionally high in vitamin C. So, yes, there was a small human study where participants receive Camu-Camu juice or vitamin C tablet only for 7 days. Pero nakita nga natin, it showed reduction in several markers of oxidative stress and inflammation. So very interesting, no? Well, for someone who is very keen on science, no, and nutrition, this is a very interesting study. Pero let's be responsible. The study was small and short, so hindi natin sasabihin na conclusive na ang evidence, but we can say promising. So the simple message is ang Camu-Camu adds vitamin C and antioxidant support to the Life Protect formula. So now, another interesting, no? Bilberry. Siguro magtanong ako dito sa inyo, baka tiniyakin ko lang kung di pa kayo nakatulog. Sino sa atin dito na nakikinig, okay, who spends more than 4 to 6 hours a day looking at a screen? Sige nga. Raise your hand na lang. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Baka mag-guilty tayo lahat, no? Okay? Sino sa atin dito na nauubos 4 to 6 hours kada araw sa kakatingin sa mga screen? Yan, maaari yung mobile phones, laptops, smart TVs. Okay? Alright? So siguro lahat tayo guilty dyan, no? So kung nasa denial stage man kayo, walang problema. Lahat man tayo ay dumadaan sa denial stage. Pero ang tanong siguro ay, which ingredient yan sa Life Protect na mayroong particular connection with visual function? At ang sagot ay bilberry. Ngayon, ang ibig ba sabihin niyan, partner, ang bilberry ay nakaka-cure ng mga eye disease? Again, ang sagot natin, no. Okay, no. The responsible message or the responsible statement is visual comfort and normal focusing function support. So ang Life Protect, through its bilberry ingredients, offers visual comfort and may support normal focusing function. Yan, ha? Now, this is very particular, this is very interesting, no, sa panahon natin ngayon dahil marami sa atin ang screen heavy ang lifestyle. Sabi nga nila, no, screen heavy ang lifestyle. Ngayon, ang bilberry po ay very rich in anthocyanins at napag-aralan po siya for visual function. Isa pong randomized study involving ilan? 109 adults. Napakarami ito, mga partners, ha? 109 adults looked at standard bilberry extract for 12 weeks. Ano naging kailang natuklasan? The study found improvements in measures related to the eye's ability to adjust focus after a visual display task. Another study muli, no? They look at the accommodation and contrast sensitivity. So ang simple message lang dito, mga partners, ay ang bilberry na isang active ingredient ng Life Protect may support visual function and normal focusing function. But again, hindi natin sasabihin na ang Life Protect treats cataract, treats glaucoma, or treats diabetic eye disease. We will not go that far in making such messages. But ang message natin ay ang Life Protect may support visual function and normal focusing function. Let's move. Pink grapefruit. Okay. Pink grapefruit. Okay, so okay. So pag-usapan natin ito, no? Mahalaga tong fruit na ito pero with important context, no? How will I start with this? Okay, now let's talk about pink grapefruit. Ang grapefruit po, it provides vitamin C, potassium, and citrus flavonoids. May mga studies po na nag-report ng modest effect. Modest po modest effect po ng pink grapefruit sa weight or waist measurements. Weight or waist measurements. Pero may other randomized studies naman na little or no difference ang nakikita. So ang evidence po ay halo, no? It is mixed, no? Kaya nga po, wag natin siyang tawaging fat burner. Okay? Wag natin sabihin na ang Life Protect is a fat burner. It will help you lose your weight, no? Wag ganun ka straightforward. Siguro mas responsible na sabihin natin na ang Life Protect, no? Dahil sa kanyang ingredient na grapefruit is a part of a nutrient-rich diet. Okay? Nutrient-rich diet that may help, that may have a modest effects in terms of your weight loss, or in terms of your weight. So yun ang makikita natin dito. But there is also one very important point about grapefruit, and that is yung medication interactions. Okay? That's why we need to, kung uminom kayo ng mga medicines, may mga sa prescribing information dyan na may mababasa kayo na don't drink this together with a grapefruit. So may mga ganyang mga gamot. Kaya you need to consult your medicine information just to make sure na we are on the safe side kapag tayo po ay umiinom ng Life Protect. So ito nga po, no, because a grapefruit also can interact with medicine, kaya this should be explained clearly because it is a patient issue. So I believe this is one of I consider one of the most important slides because ang grapefruit po kasi can affect how certain medicine, not all medicine, certain medicine absorbed or broken down by the body. So ibig sabihin, meaning in some cases po, pwedeng maging stronger ang effect ng medicine or maapektuhan kung paano ito gumagana. Okay? So to name some, this may involve some cholesterol medicine, some blood pressure medicine, some heart medicines, and also immunosuppressants. Pero depende po ito sa specific medicine. Kaya huwag nyo naman sabihin na ang grapefruit is always dangerous. Hindi ko naman sinasabi na dangerous ang grapefruit. Okay? But huwag nyo din sabihin naman na grapefruit is always safe. No? So ang ibig lang sabihin, the safest message natin is that kung uminom po kayo ng mga prescription medicines, no, gaya ng mga statins, blood pressure medicines, heart medicines, or immunosuppressants, no, just check with your prescribing information and we will and from there we are giving them a message about it from the viewpoint of safety. Dahil isa sa mga active ingredient po ng nakasama sa Life Protect ay ito pong grapefruit. But anyways, let us not be kumbaga out of so many fruits, out of the 6, ito lang isang grapefruit lang ang nakitaan na mayroong talaga interaction with medicines, but the rest of the fruits, they are good, no? There are no reported interaction with medicine. So simple lang ang ating message. But very important kasi yung patient safety. Very important kasi yung users safety because we don't want na dumating sa isang point ng ating business journey ay i-attribute ang isang event, no, isang cardiovascular events sa Life Protect. So we don't want that to happen, and God forbid, wag naman sana mangyari 'yon. All right, let's continue. So let's forget muna mga technical terms. So imagine po natin ito pong 4 simple wellness goals. So if you are drinking Life Protect, if you are taking Life Protect, now together because of its 6 active ingredients, brain, I want to support my memory and mental performance, take Life Protect because it has actions, it works in the brain. If you want to take better care of your cardiovascular health, no issues with Life Protect because Life Protect will offer that benefit. If you want na marami kayong screen time at gusto niyo magkaroon kayo ng support sa inyong visual comfort, taking Life Protect may help, may support you on that. And the general wellness, if you want more fruit-derived antioxidants and vitamin C in your daily routines, then take Life Protect. So Life Protect po can be positioned as a daily wellness companion. but always together with healthy food, physical activity, and good sleep. Okay, so maybe this will be my last slide. So for example, if you will be given a 60-second explanation, very busy yung prospect mo. Sabihin sa'yo, partner, I will only give you 1 minute to explain Life Protect. So paano natin i-explain ang Life Protect in 1 minute sa isang non-medical prospect? Okay, we will going to explain that as follows. Una, what it contains. Okay, so Life Protect contains the active ingredient Himalayan sea buckthorn in combination with 6 fruit-based ingredients. What does it provide? Vitamin C, anthocyanins, and other plant compounds. What does the science suggest? With Life Protect, it will support your brain, it will support your blood vessels, it will support your eyes, and it offers antioxidant and nutritional supplement. And what it is not. Life Protect is not a medicine. Life Protect is not a replacement for treatment. Kaya kung may magtanong sa atin, ano ba ang Life Protect Life Protect product? Just say, ang Life Protect po, it combines 6 fruit-based ingredients: blueberry, blackberry, amla, kamo-kamo, bilberry, and pig grain fruit. In addition sa kanyang main ingredient na Himalayan 6 buckthorn. At ang mga fruits na ito naturally provide vitamin C, anthocyanins, and other plant compounds that researchers are studying for brain, blood vessels, eye, and antioxidant support. At several of these ingredients have been studied in humans, although iba-iba ang strength ng evidence. And because of this, it offers, and Life Protect Pro provides a daily nutritional support. That's simple, and credible. So that's how long we will going to explain Life Protect to a non-medical person, let's say in a matter of 1 minute or 2 minutes. Okay. So, just very fast lang tayo dito. So ito yung how strong is the evidence sa mga fruits na nakapaloob sa Life Protect. So, importante po na maging honest tayo dito. So, hindi po pare-pareho ang amount and strength ng research for every ingredient. Ang strong human evidence po ay blueberry, amla, at bilberry. Ang promising pero limited po ay ang kamo-kamo at ang some berry anthocyanins. At yung mga mixed or depends on the source ay yung blackberry at yung grapefruit. Actually po, hindi naman po weakness. Hindi naman po weakness sa pagiging honest natin. Mas nagiging credible pa nga tayo kapag hindi natin pinipilit na everything is proven, So, to say the least. Okay. So, let's skip this one. All right. Now, let me just emphasize this po, so that we will not be misquoted, Let's tell the audience very important, especially po kapag tayo po nakikipag-communicate sa patients or sa customers. Wag po natin sabihin na ang Life Protect po prevents Alzheimer's, treats high cholesterol, reverses diabetes, cure eye diseases, guaranteed weight loss, or safe with all medicines. Wag po ganun ka-strong, ang mga statements po natin. Instead, use po the word supports, may help, or helps maintain, or has been studied for. Sabihin, ang Life Protect po, meron pong pag-aaral po para po sa prevention ng Alzheimer's. Ang Life Protect po ay may support in the treatment of high cholesterol. Ang Life Protect po ay helps maintain good eyesight. Parang mga mga statement, wag yung very strong statement na it's automatic sabihin, 100% gagaling ang sakit mo sa mata because of that and that, because of Life Protect. Let's be careful with those line of statements. That's my humble request po sa atin lahat. Because having said this statement, using the word supports, may help, or has been studied for, this will keep us scientifically responsible and will protect both the users, the prospect, and the brand, which is Life Protect. All right, so I think this will be 6 fruits, 6 fruits, 4 wellness areas. So madali lang po itong matandaan, Kapag brain, yan, no? Blueberry, blackberry, ang site of action niya, brain, ang kanyang benefit or kanyang benefit is something to do with memory and cognitive support. Kapag ang fruits ay amla and blackberry, ang kanyang site of action ay heart, it will support our vascular and metabolism. Kapag ang fruits naman ay bilberry, ang kanyang site of action ay sa eyes by offering visual function and support. And the other fruits mentioned, ang kamo-kamo, pink grapefruit, and all the 6 fruits collectively, they will now offer the total antioxidant and nutritional support. So this is the Life Protect story, particularly its active ingredients. Okay, so this slides po shows po where the scientific information came from. So we have human clinical studies involving blueberries, berry anthocyanins, amla, kamo-kamo, bilberry, and grapefruit. So we don't have to read all these references. The point is simply to show ng ating pong kwento as far as Life Protect is concerned relative to the 6 fruits ingredient is to show that our kwento or our story is supported by published human research while recognizing that the evidence is not conclusive but may support the general wellness of a person. So, to summarize everything, so ang Life Protect po is not a miracle product, but it will bring together, along with Himalayan sea buckthorn, 6 fruits and nutrients that have been studied in people and may support everyday health and wellness. So our message should always be simple. Life Protect, natural ingredients, science-informed wellness. Then, most importantly, Life Protect complements a healthy lifestyle. It does not replace healthy habits or medical treatment. So with that statement, thank you very much for your time and attention. I hope I was able to impart some knowledge sa inyo that will equip you to be a better communicator of our product, Life Protect by LifeMax Global. So with that, maraming po salamat and God bless.
Wow, wonderful. Thank you so much, Dr. Alex Chirasmillo, our main resource speaker for the in-depth product knowledge on the main ingredients that makes Life Protect truly unique, a game changer, and high above the rest. And now, as promised, we will give you another much-awaited presentation, our compensation plan. Ang tanong ng marami, paano ba akong makaka-discount? Pwede ba akong kumita dyan? Pwede ba akong makainom ng libre at may sukli pa? So lahat po yan ay yes. At sasagutin po ng ating another world-class speaker. And especially for our first-time guest, ay isa pong registered nurse. He graduated from Davao Doctors Medical School. Malalim po ang kanyang mithiin na tayo maging malusog. Huwag magkasakit. Gumaling. Magbago ang antas ng ating buhay at ng ating mga pamilya at maging ng ating buong pamayanan. So, isa po siyang icon leader, a consistent top performer in global health and wellness industry for more than 15 years. Siya po ay naging isang regional stockist, a country representative, our financer. But despite of all his achievements, he is very kind, a down-to-earth person. Madarama mo sa kanya ang tender loving care na gaya ng ating mga pinagmamalaking mga overseas Filipino nurses. Alam niyo naman ang ating mga Pinoy nurses, no? Kilalang kilala sila sa kanilang tender loving care. So ladies and gentlemen, let's give our God bless you welcome to a man of integrity with a compassionate heart to serve. At dahil siya ay totoong product of the product, isang walking billboard ika nga. Sa tulong ng Life Protect ay mababakas natin sa kanya ang kutis mayaman at kutis celebrity na gaya ng ating paborito. Paborito nyo, paborito ko, paborito nating lahat at iniidolong si John Lloyd Cruz is our LifeMax Global Incorporated Chief Marketing Officer. Here's Captain Coach Gerson Pareño.
Wow, thank you. Thank you, Coach Bernie Mariano. Grabe, nabiliokan ako dun. Alright, grabe. Alright, no? So, once again, good evening sa lahat, no? Especially sa ating mga guests from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao for having this great opportunity we have with LifeMax Global, especially sa first speaker po natin, no, sa ating first presenters ng ating product, sa ating guest speaker, no, si Doc Alex Gerasmio, no. So wow. And for that, we would like to share to you kung ano yung mga magandang benefits po ng ating produkto pag ikaw po ay naging member, no? Kasi with one box ng ating Life Protect, automatically you will be a member, no? So sa hindi po sa first time po na narinig ito, ang ating produkto po pala ay ang isang box, no? So by the way, it is direct to mouth intake, so powder form po siya. So yung isang sachet po natin 3,000 milligrams. So therefore, para siyang equivalent ng 6 na kapsula, no? So ang isang box po ng ating Life Protect, it consists 14 sachet, no? So yun po yung kaniyang para siyang in ratio, para ka na rin uminom, no, ng ang 84 capsule. Alright. And ang kagandahan sa ating produkto, dahil ito po ay direct to mouth intake, powder form extract, so mas mabilis yung kanyang absorption rate, no? So directly to the bloodstream and kidney safe. Alright. And the good thing with this product, no? So sa ating isang box na produkto, kumbaga, you will be automatically a member. Alright, so make money with LifeMax Global, how to be a business associate. With this opportunity, no, yung ating produkto, be an entrepreneur. Wala po tayong registration fee, just simply purchase product package to retail or purchase for your personal consumption. No quota or mandatory maintenance. Business with no boundaries. Kahit saan po, pwede po tayong magnegosyo. Real-time commission. Ito yung kagandahan dahil sa lahat ng mga negosyante at gustong gawing kumbaga side hustle or mainstream of income po main income po si LifeMax Global, so you could right away, no, ma-enjoy mo yung commission, no? So we have a daily payout commission, generous compensation program, unlimited income potential, claim products every renewal once capping is reached, free trainings and support system, no fee fare, trip incentive, and travel rewards. And how to become a business associate? With LifeMax Global, you just choose 5 business options, no? So you could start from light package, core package, pro package, master package, and infinity package, no? So ang isang light pack natin, isang box po yan, equivalent, no? So 2,500. Pag core pack na po is dalawang box, no? That's $60. Yan. Pro pack, 4 na box. Then we have Master Pack, 16 boxes, and Infinity Pack, 40 boxes. The good thing with these packages or this system we have with LifeMax Global, kahit ikaw po ay nag-umpisa sa Light Pack, you have the chance na pwede po kayong mag-upgrade up to Infinity Pack. So mamaya, isi-share po natin how it goes, no? Yan. And we have 5 ways to earn. All right. Our first way to earn, we have this outright commission. So yung outright commission natin, no, yung ating isang box, no, isang box ng ating Life Protect, it is 2,500 yung ating suggested retail price. Yung membership price natin, if you are member na, no, so you can just purchase it for only 2,100 per box. So automatically you will be enjoying outright commission, no? So right away commission of 400 peso per box. Yan. So that's the first way to earn. And we have this by the way, before we will proceed to the next way to earn, no? Itong ating outright commission, ito yung mga possible mga incomes, no? Pag ikaw po ay magaling magbenta at marami kang kakilala na pwede mong i-share itong produkto po natin. So if you will sold 2 boxes, no, every box meron kayong 400, so you will be enjoying a direct sales profit of 800. So pag apat naman times 400 times 400, so meron kang 1.6, no? Nakapag refer ka naman ng 20 or 20 bucks, no? So times 400, you will have 8,000, no? And if you will sold 40 bucks, no? So you will have times 400, you will have 16,000 peso. Yan. So that's the outright commission. So yung ating outright commission po, wala pong limit yan. So it will be depending kung gaano ka kabilis or gaano ka kagaling benta. Yan. So, our second way to earn, we have referral commission. Ito yung kagandahan dahil aside from our outright commission, meron ka ng outright commission, at the same time, you will be enjoying another commission, what we call the referral commission. So, yung ating referral commission is a computer-generated, no, system. So, it will be generated to our dashboard, no, yung mga referral commission. Like for example, so pag ikaw po ay light pack, you will be enjoying a 20% referral commission based on the point value. So, pag light pack po yung package ninyo, you will be enjoying $4 every box. All right. And if you are a core pack, 25%, you will be enjoying $5 every box. Yan. And pag ikaw po ay pro pack, 30%, no? So you will have $6 every box every time you refer. So I just would like to emphasize yung outright commission nyo, on top pa ito, no? Yung referral commission. So, kumbaga, dalawang income in a row, no? Pag nakapag-refer ka, so you will have your outright and referral. So, yung master pack, $7 every box. And infinity pack, 40%, $8 every box. So, that's the goal, to become an infinity pack. So, ayan, no? So, mayroon ka pang outright, mayroon ka pang referral commission that would be reflected to your dashboard. Yan. And we have the third way to earn, binary plan bonus. Alright? And ang ating binary plan bonus, it will be other term po nito is matching bonus or pairing bonus. Ayan. So every time na kasi we have a computer generated system, every time na may pumasok sa left group sales mo, isang box at saka another box sa right group sales mo, the system will match or it will pair, no? So pag there's a match, there's a pair, you will be enjoying $4 every one box on the left, one box on the right. How about pag mayroon kang 2 box on the left, 2 box on the right, so you will be enjoying a 2 match, so that would be 4 times 2, that would be $8. Pag Pro Pack naman, 4 na box on the left, 4 na box on the right, $16. Pag Master Pack, 16 bucks on the left, 16 bucks on the right, $64. Pag Infinity, 40 bucks on the left, 40 bucks on the right, $160. So down the line po yan. No? Yan. And yung ating maximum income potential ng ating sistema or kitaan ng ating LifeMax Global, you have at least maximum income pag ikaw po ay light pack, $300 or 21,000 in peso. Pag ikaw po ay core pack, $600 or 42,000 in peso. No, pag pro pack naman, 3,600 or 252,000 in peso. How about pag master? Pag master package po kayo, you have a maximum income potential of 7,200 or 504,000 in peso. Pag infinity pack, $12,000 or 840,000 in peso. So, ito pong maximum income potential, ito po ay it will be based on the group sales. So, therefore, you could earn this as much as, kumbaga, every month, or it could be per week, or per day, or even per hour, or per minute. So, it will be depending on the group sales, no, na pumasok sa iyong grupo. Ayan. And how to upgrade your account, no? So dito po pala, no, sa ating LifeMax Global Systems, so as what I have said earlier, na kahit po ikaw ay nag-umpisa sa LifePack, you have the chance na pwede po ma-upgrade yung account niyo up to Infinity Pack. Yan. So how it goes, no? So ganito po siya, no? So take note, no, every income na mag-reflect sa iyong dashboard, it will be automatically 10% of that will be deducted for your upgrade in capping. So ganito po siya, no? So if you're a light account, ikaw po ay light account, then you accumulated the $300 or 21,000 peso. So automatically meron kang nakasegregate na $30 agad sa capping mo. So what you need to do is just click it, claim it, no? So pag click mo ng $30, you will have a $1. Then the good thing from light account, the time na click mo na yan, you will be upgrade to core account. Yan. So sa core account naman, ang maximum na pwede mong kitain is $600 or 42,000 in peso. So pag na-accumulate mo na ito, you will have $60. So dalawang $30 yan. So repurchase, then you need to click that one. So you will have 2 boxes. So pag na-click mo na ito, your core account will be upgrade to pro account, no? And take note, every time na mag-upgrade, no, or si downline or ikaw, of course, there's a referral bonus that will be no, kumbaga it will be goes up to the sponsor or upline. And at the same time, pwede din siyang mag-match din, no? So sa ano niya, sa strong leg. Yan. So it will be match yung especially if yung nag-upgrade is nasa weak leg, so every time na mag-upgrade yan, it will be matched to the strong leg of upline. So pag ikaw po ay pro account, ang income cap mo or maximum potential income would be 3,600 or 250,000 in pesos. So meaning, therefore, pag na-accumulate mo na yan, you will have 360 na nakasegregate na for repurchase or income cap. So at the same time, ang gawin mo niyan is i-click mo lang, no? I-click mo lang, then you will have to claim the 12 boxes. Then from pro account, your account will be upgrade to master account. Yan. So yung maximum income naman dito, pag master account ka na, 7,200 or 504,000 in peso. Yan. And automatically, may nakasegregate dyan na $720. So, same pa rin, click, no? Pag click mo, claim the products, then from master account, your account will be upgrade to Infinity account. So, and yung maximum potential na income is $12,000 or 840,000 in peso. Ayan. So, kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, kahit na light account po kayo nag-start, no, you will have the chance na pwede po kayong ma-upgrade up to Infinity. So sa lahat naman ng gustong umpisahan ng kumbaga on the higher package, then it would be fine, no? So versatile po yung system natin. Then you could also upgrade your account kahit na hindi mo pa ma-accumulate ito, no? So it's up to you then, no? So very flexible. Yan. And yung ating program po with LifeMax Global, you could have at least maximum of 3 global accounts. Yan. So, then, on ito yung ating fourth way to earn, no, repurchase program. Okay. So, we intend to have this repurchase program instead of using the unilevel so that wala po tayong maintenance. Okay. So, wala pong monthly maintenance. So what you need to do here as a member, every time mag-repurchase po kayo, you could click the button, no, na hindi mo na kailangan mag-encode pa ng iba't ibang pangalan. So you could just goes to the repurchase program. So pag na-click mo na yung repurchase program, yung referral bonus mo, it will be reflected to your personal dashboard. Then the good thing, pag naka-generate na yan, yung point value ng papasok sa iyo, it will be goes up to the upline, then it will be again matched to the waiting leg or strong leg of the upline. So therefore, here in LifeMax Global, every time na may may bagong mag-member, so they have the opportunity na pwede silang mag-match. Then secondly, pag may mag-upgrade, same pa rin, pwedeng mag-match din, no? And pag mag-repurchase, then down the line po yan, no? Pag mag-repurchase, pairing pa rin, no? So mag-match pa rin. So therefore, unlimited, or kumbaga we could enjoy the redundant binary. Yan. Okay, here in our payout percentage, very simple, transparent, no, and rewarding. So sa ating payout percentage, cash out 80%, we have the capping 10%, then redemption. Yung ating redemption, you could claim the product anytime pag mag-accumulate na yan ng $30. Then here we have this redemption program so that every leaders members, no, gustong kumbaga hindi lang magaling magbenta, but at the same time we want that every leaders members must be a product of our own product, no? So ayan, so mas marami tayong magamit na for personal consumption. Ayan, so total of 100%. All right, and here last but not the least, we have this leadership bonus reward. Ang kagandahan naman sa ating leadership bonus reward, although add-on na ito, kumbaga sa first 4 ways to earn pa lang po natin, talagang enjoy na yung mga partners po natin, mga leaders po natin, no? So, and the good thing here in our PIP way to earn the leadership bonus reward, so you could, no, here wala siyang time frame, wala siyang reset. These are all accumulative. So therefore, habang tumatagal, talagang mai-enjoy mo yung mga rewards na pwedeng maibigay sa atin ni LifeMax Global. Ayan. So here, it will be based on the accumulation income. So pag ikaw po ay naging 2,500 na accumulated income mo, so wala siyang time frame, walang reset, no? So and you will just have to have to Infinity Direct, kahit na nag-umpisa yan sila sa light package, no? So naging upgrade to Infinity, so pasok yan. So you will be ranked as a Quartz Ambassador. So as a Quartz Ambassador, therefore, you will be enjoying a reward of smartphone or any gadgets worth 15,000 peso plus $50 and plaque. Yan. And $50 product redemption yan. And 2,500 naging 3,000, naging 4,000, naging 5,000. Therefore, you will be ranked as an Amethyst Builder. And as Amethyst Builder, meron ka lang 6 na Infinity Direct. You will be enjoying a reward, travel incentive going to El Nido. Ayan, so that would be 4 days and 3 nights. So plus $150 product redemptions. Ayan. So from 5,000, naging 6,000, naging 8,000, naging 10,000. And your rank from Amethyst Builder, it will be upgrade or it will be ranked up to Emerald Manager. So as an Emerald Manager, you will be enjoying a car plan. No, so for your sedan, no, so or can have or can you can have your iPhone, no. Ayan, so plus $300 product redemption. Ayan, from 10,000 naging 25,000, you will be ranked as a Sapphire Executive. And as a Sapphire Executive, you will be enjoying an international travel goes to Thailand. That would be 5 days and 4 nights plus 500 product redemption reward. But the good thing here sa ating travel trip promo trip incentive po ng ating Sapphire Executive, that would be good for 2, no? So hindi ka lang nag-isa, kumbaga dalawa po kayo. Yan. And we have Ruby Crown. Pag Ruby Crown ka naman, no? So another travel incentive going to Japan or South Korea. So this travel would also be good for 2, no? And 6 days and 5 nights plus 1,000 product redemption reward. And Diamond Supreme, Ayan. So pag ikaw po ay Diamond Supreme na, you could enjoy a luxury item. Could be a Rolex, Louis Vuitton, Balenciaga, or Hermes, no? So plus 2,500 product redemption reward. And here in LifeMax Global, hindi ka lang po stagnant na maging just member, no? But you have the chance na pwede po kayong maging shareholder po ng ating company. Yeah, so as a junior shareholder, no? You will be enjoying reward company share. Plus, of course, we will be giving yung mga junior shareholder po natin car plan, SUV car plan, no? It could be a Montero Sport or Fortuner or even yung mga latest na hybrid SUVs po natin pwede, no? So plus 5,000 product redemption reward. And if you will be ranked up as a senior shareholder, no, you will be enjoying a company share plus a housing plan. Ayan, so plus a product redemption reward of $10,000. Ayan, grabe, ang dami. Ayan, and last but not the least, no, itong ating major shareholder. So pag ikaw po ay naging major shareholder ng ating LifeMax Global, you will be enjoying company share plus a travel to Europe. That would be good for 12 days and 11 nights, and with 15,000 product redemption reward. Ayan. So, kaya naman talagang napaka-rewarding po ng ating leadership bonus reward. And hindi lang po yan, no? It's not, kumbaga, wait, there's more, no? So, we would like to share to you another promo, no, na hatid po sa atin ni LifeMax Global, no. This promo would kumbaga ito po ay for our upcoming ground launching here in Mindanao. Ayan. Let's watch this video. Alright, no, sa ating LifeMax Luxury Escape promo, going to Dusit Tani Lubi Plantation Resort. So for all the Team Mindanao, what you need to do, ito po yung ating kumbaga ito po yung ating kailangan lang na target, no, 45 boxes. Ayan, so accumulation package, no. So sa lahat ng mga makapag-accumulate ng 45 boxes, automatically they will enjoy the Luxury Escape promo going to Dusit Tani Lubi Plantation. By the way, yung ating Dusit Tani Lubi Plantation, it is located at Davao de Oro. Ayan, Davao de Oro. Kumbaga around 2 hours ride from Davao City. So kaya naman this Luxury Escape we have, it is an island resort, no? One of the high-end resort here in Mindanao, especially in Davao. Yan. And sa ating mga Team Visayas and Luzon, what you need to do is just accumulate purchase of 55 boxes. No? So We will be shouldering your plane ticket as well as your accommodation, no? Yan. And of course, enjoying the Luxury Escape promo. Yan. So, 55 boxes. Okay? So, ang kagandahan dito, no? Ang kagandahan dito, yung lalo na, especially sa mga leaders natin from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, especially if this would be their first time to go here in Mindanao, no? Lalo na sa mga hindi pa nakapunta dito ng Davao, so it would be their kumbaga ito yung chance nyo na makapunta dito, no? And enjoy the Luxury Escape in Dusit Tani. Ayan, so this promotion period, it had been started on June 13 up to September 30. Kaya naman mataas pa, mataas pa yung time, no, na ma-achieve natin kasi pag nakapag-refer ka lang ng Infinity, mayroon ka na agad 40 points eh. So 5 box na lang kulang, then automatically sa Team Mindanao, ayan, no? So and even yung Team Visayas, no? So parang isang Infinity lang yan at saka isang Master, no? Ayan, sobra pa. All right, so Luxury Escape will be happen on October 17 and 18. Ayan, no? So ito po yung ating mga mechanics. Ayan. So, and I would like to congratulate all the kumbaga mga qualifiers natin sa ating Luxury Escape. So, we have already a lot of qualifiers, no? And we know we're just kumbaga may mga mataas pa yung days, no? So, kaya habol na. Ayan. And sa ating mga leaders, mga guests for today, if you think that this opportunity we have with LifeMax Global, no, and gusto nyong i-maximize to and goes to the next level as a sub-stockist and a series stockist on your particular areas, then ito po yung ating mga mechanics, no? Oh, yan. So sa ating sub-stockist, ito po yung inclusion. Pag ikaw po ay sub-stockist, what you need to do is just purchase 250,000. So ito yung mga inclusion. You have Infinity Pack, 1 Master Pack, 2 Pro Pack, 4 Core Pack, 8 Light Pack. Yan. And we have a rolling inventory of 80 boxes, so product worth of 168,000. So total product worth of 336,000. Okay? So sa lahat ng ating mga sub-stockies, ayan, so they will be enjoying 100 peso per box every repurchase. Ayan. So sa ating mga sa ating mga makakuha or makapag-refer or refer ng sub-stockies, they will be enjoying a finder's bonus of 15,000 cash plus product worth support of 10,500 pesos. Yan. And not only that, because we have a promo sa lahat po ng mga makapagkuha or makapag-refer ng sub-stockies, they will be qualified to our Luxury Escape promo going to Dusit Tani, Lubi Plantation. Ayan, so kaya naman talagang napaka-rewarding at very achievable po. Ayan, so if you think that you have some mga friends or kakilala na mga talagang potential prospects na pwedeng mag-sub-stockies, no? Don't second guess or don't hesitate to approach them, no? So you need to kumbaga i-approach niyo na. Ayan. And sa ating city stockies naman 504,000 ito, no? So we have 2 Infinity Pack, 2 Master Pack, we have 4 Pro Pack, 8 Core Pack, 16 Light Pack, no? Plus 160 boxes. So total product worth of 672,000 in pesos. So sa ating series stockies, they will be enjoying a 200 peso per box every repurchase plus dalawang event po worth 20,000 na support. Ayan. And sa lahat po ng mag-city stockies ngayon, they will be enjoying the Luxury Escape to Dusit Tani. Promo po yan. No? And of course, sa lahat pong makapag-refer, aside pa sa kanilang referral bonus, no, they will be enjoying another finder's bonus of 20,000 cash plus product worth of 21,000 plus a chance also to get in to enjoy our luxury escape promo going to Dusit Thani. Kaya naman kita-kita po tayo, no? So especially dahil on that date din po, no? We will be having our ground launching here in Mindanao. Kaya naman napaka-exciting po at saka napaka-rewarding po ng ating experiences, no? Itong ating promo sa ating LifeMax Global. Ayan, so sa lahat po ng nandito ngayon, if you think that this opportunity could make your kumbaga make you somehow may will give you kumbaga another opportunity, no, a big opportunity for you, no, na talagang kumbaga to augment yung mga kita or somewhat. If you think that this amazing product we have, no, as what Doc Alex have discussed to us, no, na talagang malaking tulong na pwede nating i-share sa mga kakilala natin na nangangailangan itong product, then this is the chance for us to share this amazing opportunity. Ayan. Okay, so ayan, no. LifeMax Global is more than a business. It is more than business opportunity. It is a vehicle that allows ordinary people to create extraordinary result, no, by helping others improves their health, build an additional income, and achieve their dreams. Yan. So this is your CMO, LifeMax Global, Jerson Pareño, saying your success is not determined by where you came from, but by the vision you hold and action you take every day. The opportunity is here. The timing is now. The future belongs to those who decide to take action today. So let's live lives to the max. Thank you very much and God bless us po. Now, so back to you, Coach Bernie Mariano. Thank you po.
Wow, thank God for our game-changing product and our very generous comp plan. As per Cap Jerson's tip and advice, the real key is maximizing your account by getting up to 3 global accounts who will get 4 leader accounts under them is the key. Actually, based on the law of probability, you can earn in as much as 8.5 million. Sige, wag na munang 8.5 million, kahit 850,000 na lang, or for a start, kahit 85,000 pesos na lamang po. So, pwede na, di ba? So, with that, we thank our beloved Chief Marketing Officer, Captain Coach Jerson Pareño, our beloved Dr. Alex Gerasmio, and of course, to all of our dear partners and guests for coming over. That's about it, ladies and gentlemen. See you on our next exciting Zoom meeting every Tuesdays and Fridays at 8 p.m. And also, see you all in Dusit Thani Plantation Island Resort in Davao. Good night, and to God be the glory.